Hi everyone! So, today we are celebrating Israel's birthday. Yay! Happy birthday, Israel! That's the country of Israel. And so I wanted to show you on my globe here. This is the globe. This is the earth. And it goes around and around. It circles around just like the real earth does, like the one we live on. It's big and round. It's a circle. It's like a ball. And so I wanted to show you where we are on the earth and where Israel is. So if you look really closely here, I put a star for California. Let's see. So there's California, Los Angeles, where we live. We're right next to the Pacific Ocean. And then I put this string here to show you how we would fly across the United States, over the Atlantic Ocean, across all these other countries here. There's Egypt and Algeria and lots of other countries. And then there's Israel. It's that teeny tiny, trying to get it not blurry, green spot there next to the star where you can see Israel. Wow. It's a teeny tiny little country surrounded by Saudi Arabia and Iraq and Egypt's nearby and Turkey. And they have a little bit of ocean that they can get to there, or it's the Red Sea. And you can float in the water there because it has so much salt in the water that your body just floats. You don't want to put your eyes or your face under the water because it's so salty it would burn your eyes. But there we are. That's the flight. It takes about 18 or 19 hours. That's almost like a whole day and a whole night to get there. So we're going to do a yoga pose today, and we are going to fly like airplanes. I thought we would do our tree pose as well, since we've been learning about the earth and we celebrated Earth Day, and we've been doing tree poses, and we have our earth here. So we'll do tree pose and we'll do airplane pose. Okay, I'm going to do them a couple different ways because you can do them sitting, or you can do them standing, or you can do them laying down on your yoga mat. So it all depends. Let's see. First, we're gonna we'll take a few breaths in just to get started and relaxed. We'll do our shalom. Okay, so we always go deep breath in, arms up, and then we breathe out. When we say shalom. Deep breath in and out. Shalom. Deep breath in and out. Shalom. Ooh, that was a good one. I felt your energy. Okay, so next, let's do tree pose. We'll start out as tiny little seeds curled up in a ball. It's always good to start out stretching your back one way and then another. So that's why we're going to start out as seeds, like a little tiny tree. Okay, we're going to be a little seed and we're going to curl up in a ball. Take some good breaths. Really stretch your neck and your back. This is called child's pose. Okay, and here we go. We're gonna start to grow. We're gonna start to sprout. So I'm gonna get on my feet like this. And then I'm gonna start to grow. I'm gonna start to lift my head and my back. And I'll start to stand up and grow a little taller and a little taller, 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 taller. Whoa, I'm a big tall tree. And then I'm gonna grow my branches out. Grow those branches all the way up and out. All the way up. Breathing in and out. Those branches nice and long. Can stop here and wiggle your branches a little. Wiggle those branches, wiggle those leaves, and down. And let's do a little balancing. Let's put our hands on our hips, or you can have your branches out straight, or you can have your branches up in the air. It all depends how you want to. You can also hold on to something if you need a little extra balance. I'm going to take one leg, bend it to make a triangle onto my leg, and I'm going to balance on one foot. This isn't easy. It takes practice. It's easier if you do it on the hard floor instead of on your yoga mat. And then we can switch sides. We're going to make a triangle. Let's think of some triangle things. What objects are triangles? You're right! Haman's hat was a triangle. What else is a triangle? A slice of pizza! Yeah, a slice of pizza. What else is a triangle? Ooh, the musical instrument. Ding! The triangle. Good, and we just go back and forth. Maybe I'll put my arms out in balance. All right, maybe my arms will go up. Excellent. Good job, everybody. Okay, now let's do our airplane. And we are going to fly to Israel. I wonder what we'll see on the way, and I wonder what we'll see when we get there. Okay, so I think I'll start off in my sitting airplane. So I'm going to put my legs together in the front, crisscross, and then we're going to get ready for takeoff. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Take off. Put your wings out and fly. You can bend over to one side, because sometimes when you take off, the airplane has to turn and then turn to the other side. Let's level it back out. Turning again. Good. And let's go back and turn left. And level it out. Arms down. Okay. We have landed about halfway there. So we're going to have to switch planes. Okay, are you ready? Let's run to the next plane. Run through the airport. Shh, we're running. And maybe for this airplane, we'll lie down on our tummies, on our yoga mat here, or just on the rug or wherever you are. And I'm gonna lie down. I hope you guys can see me. And so I'm gonna put my head down, and then I'm gonna take off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Lift up. Lift your head up and your arms up. I'm gonna try and turn towards you so I can get a better angle here of flying with you guys. Let's see if this will work better. There we go. I'm lifting my head up, my arms up, and can you see my legs are up too? I'm flying. I'm flying over the ocean. Wow. Over, which ocean am I flying? Oh, I'm flying over the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, I have to rest. Hold on. Go back down, back down. Whew. Okay, you ready? That was just a quick touchdown. Take off again. What do you guys see down there? What do you see in the ocean? I see whales and boats and dolphins. Whew, okay, let's come in. We have to land one more time. Meow. Okay, let's get up. We have one more flight to take. This is taking us a long time to get to Israel. Remember, it's about 19 hours away on an airplane. That's a long time. Okay, so now for our last flight, let's do it standing up. Okay, so I'm just going to come up. Okay, and for this one, we're going to stand and we're going to put our arms out, and we can even bring one leg back like this, and then we can switch legs. Okay, let's take off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off, guys. Get your airplane in the air. Again, we're balancing on one foot. Wow. You can turn a little. Switch legs. Here we go. We're getting closer to Israel. I think I see Jerusalem. I see the Kotel Wall. I see the Western Wall. And I see people putting all their little notes and their little wishes into the Kotel Wall. Maybe we'll make a wall for class, and you guys can add your wishes too. All right, here we go. We're going to fly in. We're going to land our planes. Come back down, come back down. Because remember, we always want to end with stretching our back in the opposite direction. So we're going to go back into child's pose. Ready? Bring your heads down. Curl up in a ball. And relax. Breathe. Ooh, wow. Whew. That felt really good. All right, guys, that was so much fun. I had a great time doing our tree pose and our yoga pose of the airplane to Israel and flying with you from California over here. And then we went all the way across the United States, across the Atlantic Ocean, across all these other countries over here to Israel. Hello, Israel. We hope you're having a great birthday. We love you. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Yay! Bye. Thanks for visiting. I'm waving back. Thanks for joining.